Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can make your own page on Facebook, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to make your own page on Facebook, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And once you're on Facebook, next, I want you to go to menu, so just tap this menu icon right here. And here at the menu, I want you to tap this See More button right here. And after that, you will now see the Pages option, so just go and tap it. And once you're on the Pages section, you can now tap this Create button to create a new page. And then you will now start setting up your page. So right here, you can select between two options for your page, and what you choose here will depend on your goals. So basically, if you want your page to be personal, where you can create a new name and feed and control who you connect with, go with the personal profile option. But if you're looking to grow as a business, content creator, or organization, with advanced tools and the ability to assign access to others, the public page option is the way to go. And once you're done selecting, just tap Next to proceed. And after that, you can now enter the name of the page, so just put whatever you like. And once you're done entering the name, tap Next once again. And now here, you just need to enter the category of your page. For example, if you're creating a page for gaming, then just enter any gaming category right here. Just make sure to pick a category that best represents the purpose of your page. And once you're done entering your page category, just tap Next again. And then for this page, this is optional guys, but you can choose if you want to enter additional information for your page such as your description, contact information, and even your address, although this is not necessary, so you can still proceed even if you don't enter anything. And after that, you can now start customizing or designing your page by adding a profile picture and cover photo. Though this is also optional, but I recommend you to add a profile picture at least so your audience can identify your page. And once you're done customizing, you can now tap the Next button one last time to finally create your page. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your new Facebook page will now be created, so you can now use it to start sharing, connecting, or do whatever you want. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.